Hey guys, today I will show you how you can make smooth zooms for your edits. Make sure you already pre-compose your clips and set up your adjustment layer. I have already done that, so let's move on to the zoom effect. Click on your adjustment layer and search for the effect as blur curves. Press U to see the keyframes. Select both of your keyframes, press right click and search for the keyframe assistant, and now is an ease. Again, select both of your keyframes and search for the keyframe velocity, and now copy my value. And now just copy the effect and paste into the next layer. And now we are done. And now for the zoom out, just reverse the process. Search again as blur curves. And now just copy my values. Again, copy the effect and paste into your next layer. Zoom out is ready now. That's it for the tutorial. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.